Mechanical engineering is super awesome because it's the basis and the foundation for all engineering. So we get the great opportunity to learn and have great fundamental skills in things like controls or dynamics, thermodynamics, fluids, and just a huge variety of things.
Mechanical engineering is actually awesome because you get to learn a variety of topics, and I've gotten to learn about how all of these different systems interact with the environment and design structures that we can use to have applications in aerospace or automotive fields.
We give cadets real-world problems that come from different sponsors, whether it's the DoD or industry sponsors. And in solving of these problems, the cadets have to apply all the knowledge that they've developed and come up with a solution that has consequences, because these are actual problems that our operators need solved.
Beyond just learning the concepts of kind of why things behave how they do, you get to really get hands-on in the design process of understanding how to create those systems and how to actually apply those to real problems.
I've had the great chance to work on projects that have actually affected the Air Force. Things that I've been able to go and present on, to be published for, and to say, this is something that the Air Force has a problem in, and I get to go and work on it and be a part of it. And I think that the Air Force Academy is one of the coolest places to be doing this research.